Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another video for our live trading room results. I have chosen 4 pairs, DAX, GBP, New Zealand dollar, Euro, Aussie and oil. I think these are really enough. So without any further ado, you will see that at the beginning of the week, while price has broken our resistance area, it changed apart and started moving lower again, creating a crossover and then having a very nice retracement. You already know that I want a retracement till 36 CMA besides this combination. I've said that so many times on live room. So with my opportunity on 130-40 pips, you can see price went all the way to 830. So we are talking about 6 times our APO. Probably some of you went short with lower settings, and again we are talking about an APO 50-60 pips. Let's zoom out, and that would be like 60 pips with almost 12 times plus. So depending on the entry, much more higher ratio concerning APO. So like I said, 6 times our APO on DAX. Now if we go to GBP New Zealand dollar, let's see that. Okay, price was a little bit on a range here after this retracement. This is the beginning of the week. We know that the beginning of the week is a little bit slow. As you can see here, if you draw a trend line, you can see higher lows at this point. Price retraced with some kind of a small range here. So if you took this candle, that looks much more better. Again, with an APO like 40-50 pips, you are already 300 plus. This is the line here. I don't know if you can see it. So GBP New Zealand dollar more than 6 times our APO here. Let's go to Euro Aussie. Where is it? It's somewhere here. There you go. So on Euro Aussie, what happened was, again, the combination that we always like, me personally most of all, and then you can see after price breaking my breaking my trend line, again an opportunity of 50-60 pips, whatever, 50-60 is here, a little bit lower. I'm already with a win-win scenario, 280-290 pips. Of course, it's not like I'm looking only for my win-win scenario, but I'm looking for my higher settings, long-term target, and that can be here or even here. Actually, this is the point I'm going for. So that means, again, we are talking about an entry, like I said, 50-60 pips, going for 800. Yeah, always keep your last position running. I mean, if you could make that a tattoo, put it in front of your PC, whatever, don't ever forget that. Oil, there you go. So on oil, what happened? Where is it? Oops, sorry, this is lower settings. So At the beginning of the week, we saw price being a little bit into a range here, retracement. We couldn't go short. False breakout. Again, you see my range situation, and then after price broke up, some of you went long here. Give me a second, let me show you here. So that means, again, with an APO 50-60 pips, 4 times your APO, then price started to move a little bit lower. If you trailed your APO, you got stopped out, and then price crashed. So what happened then? Then you could have entered with an M12 like that, an entry of 70 pips, maybe 80 if you put a little bit more. And where is price right now? 560. So that means for me like more than 7 times your APO, and we still continue. That's the whole point. If you took it on M24, you can see the retracement here, but this is my last position. This is where my target is. Not closing everything, incremental profits, and let it run. So 23 times our APO in only these 4 pairs, 1930 pips. Of course, we got stopped out in a couple of them, other pairs, but I don't care. You see, when I find opportunities and keeping my last position running, I can afford getting stopped out. So I don't like it, of course. It's part of the game, so we are getting used to it, and actually after a while we don't care. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend, and see you again tomorrow, Monday morning, with our top-down approach. Monday afternoon, sorry, the habit. Cheers everybody, bye bye.